A Grundy home appliance store hosted a grand reopening today. Good evening, I'm Casey Gatz. It was closed for 4 months because of flooding. News 5's Natalea Hillen went to the ribbon cutting today to see the excitement unfold.
Rife's TV furniture and appliance store's main location was flooded back in February, but that didn't stop the owners from repairing the store and coming back better than ever so they can continue serving the Buchanan County community. Rife's TV furniture and appliance store in Grundy has been in business for more than 60 years. And in February, owners faced their third flood, and everything on the first floor was destroyed.
We probably had about 12 to 24 inches of mud and sand. It tore 4 holes in our building. What you see on the floor, we lost everything.
So after 4 months of cleaning and repairing, the main location on Riverside Drive is officially open for business with brand new furniture, appliances, and flooring.
This is home. I mean, this is home for us, and we know every time you lose a business in Buchanan County, it hurts. So we want to go back in.
Community members and lifelong customers gathering on this day to not only celebrate the reopening, but to also show support to store owner John Rife.
I've been a customer of Rife's TV for about 30 years. Bought several things here off Rife's. They're always pleasant to deal with.
I've been a customer of John and Rita Rife's here my whole entire life. It would have been very easy for them to not have built back, but they chose to build back.
And all this thanks to the town of Grundy coming together.
Town worked with us. The building contractor did, so it worked out really well. Our motto is the buy your life at Rife's. So come by, we'll give you the buy your life.
In Buchanan County, Natalea Hillen, News 5 WCYB.